right, what's going on? Alright, people. What's going on? Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back. Alright, where are we? Where are we? Alright, guys, let me grab a phone charger. I'll be 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Whoa. All right, there we go. There we go. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Happy Monday. Let me just get zoomed fired up here as well. Goldie's been on a pretty nice push down so far this morning. Let me share my screen. Pretty nice push down to start the week. I'm not in any shorts personally. Let me just get the Zoom guys invited in, and we'll start breaking it all down here in a second. Good morning, everyone. Hey, Brian, what's going on? Let me just have a quick look at the news for the week. I don't think there is anything today. What do you have today? Empire State Manufacturing Index. Core retail sales tomorrow. You got a USD bank holiday on Wednesday. And then you got flash PMI on Friday. So a quiet-ish week. Nothing too crazy. But still a good amount of news. But there still should be some good movement on Goldie. We got lots to run over today. Let me get the Zoom guys in here. Stream Deck. Some reason for gold, it just does it automatically. You just Google gold CME, it will come up. It'll tell you straight away. All right. What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Session disconnected. What is that? Afternoon, mate. Hey, guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Let me get everyone in here. Everyone's joining. Goldie still pushing lower. Morning, peoples. Good morning, man. Afternoon, Aaron. Hey, how's it going, man? Welcome back. More people joining. Wait till everyone's in here. I'm out, but still hopping on a call. Yeah, good man. Good to just tune in, man. Absolutely. Yeah, daily no top wick. Yep, no top wick on daily just yet on Goldie. Just a straight open, straight push down. Straight push down. So see if we can get some. See if we get some sells today. Some sells, longs. We'll see. We'll see. Wait for this. As Audi looking. Audi's looking very bearish. Very, very bearish. It's quite nice though, because you know, remember on Friday you just pushed up. You had literally zero retracement in any of this push up on Friday. To see it finally pulling back down is actually quite nice. More people are joining. I'll wait till everyone's in before we start breaking it all down here. I'll give it a couple more minutes. Excuse me. No, I can't. No, it's right next to my keyboard. What up, Azza? What's up, man? Bless you. Thank you. Start on the weekly here in a second. Look at this on Goldie. Very strong push down here. Start the day. What time is it? 59 minutes. Cool. All right. I think everyone's in. We'll start breaking it down here on Goldie. Let's see what we got for the week.
Recording in progress.
Where is everyone in? Yeah, cool. Let me move the chat over here. So having a look. Let me get rid of all this analysis here for a second. Let's get rid of all of these levels. Have a look at some price action. So last week on gold, previous week on gold, you know, we wicked out the highs, closed aggressively bearish. And then to start the week, last week on gold, we've just instantly pushed back up, closed above the body of the previous, and still kind of closed bullish. So you'd expect this week, bottom wick like we are, and then to continue pushing up to maybe re-grab these highs up here, before then potentially coming back lower. This is a very steep instant daily bottom wick. You know, you can see this daily is just in a bit of a range. You know, you're bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Your daily's very, very choppy here. Very, very choppy here on gold. And I mean, unless today, you know, leaves a big wick and starts re-breaking high, you're going to have some longs back up into here, which I do think is pretty nice. Looking for longs this week overall, for gold to continue pushing up into here would be lovely. I'm not going to be buying it yet though. There's no reason to buy it yet. We're just in this, you know, we've had this big push down last week, and now we're just kind of going to be creating this overall big range. But coming maybe back into, I mean, kind of where you are now, it's a pretty decent 4-hour level to see if we can start wicking back above, and then look for them overall longs today. This current daily has opened and just instantly pushed down with no top wick, which is pretty surprising. You know, you thought you'd maybe start to break higher, but on the lower time frame here on gold, you would just, where's that daily top wick? Daily top wick's there. It's back up there. We don't need to mark on. We know where it is. And I was seeing if we can get some longs today, but it's like you just literally just kept breaking every single level. You broke below level of support, you retested, you pushed lower. And the next area you're probably going to come back down to is probably somewhere down here. Looks like a pretty decent area. You'll probably tap back into these areas before maybe seeing some longs. So now we'll take this level and we'll bring it down to maybe here. And we'll wait for maybe a breakout above here to maybe see if you can get some longs. Because right now you're bearish. Gold's just pushing down, regardless if there's no top wick on the daily or not. We're bearish. So you want to be following that for now. You don't want to be just glued to longs. If we're just breaking below levels, retesting, just go short. You close above, cool, go long. But other than that, gold is just breaking below, retesting levels, pushing down. You may even come back up, retest these areas here, and still push back down as well. It's very, very possible. But we are coming into a pretty decent 4-hour level where we could start to find some support here. You could start to find some support down here. You can see here's a big 4 hour area where we could start to flip. Is there no top wick on this current 4 hour? There's a little one. But this 4 hours got like 3 hours to close. You know, the next 3 hours, if it does wick up and close back above the previous 4 hour, then amazing, you've got beautiful longs for the rest of the day. But we need to see more signs than that just yet. Had that previous hourly just closed. Hourly just closed bearish. You are instantly bottom wicking into the previous lows, which is what we would need to see. You need to see these lows grab before potential longs. But be understanding, overall in the higher time frame, gold is in just one big range. You know, range is fine though. You know, this is an absolute huge range. You can still trade these ranges. This is a 400 plus tick range. That's amazing. You can absolutely still trade that. But we want to see, if we want to see longs, we just want to see us get back above this area. Get back above and then boom, we can go long. And if we start closing below here as well, then maybe you could short, maybe back down into here. Looks like a pretty decent area. How's that 15? Yeah, 15. Kind of got potential longs to pull back up into these areas. It could be a nice level. You're gonna have a lot of big trend line coming down like this. Oh, you kind of did fake out of it. 1, 2, 3. Faked out, broke below, kept pushing down. Let me see. Let me bring this to here. That's going to be that area. So if you top wick a little bit more in this hourly, you could sell. But right now, this 15 and hourly has opened and instantly pushed down. So you don't want to be jumping in longs just yet. You also don't want to be jumping in shorts down here either. Got to be patient down here. But yeah, overall today, I mean, unless today closes bearish with no top wick, then you can take fake out sales tomorrow. But as it stands, this daily has no top wick, which, you know, you do have potential longs into that later on. It's quite far though. You've pushed down quite a lot here. This is almost a 200 tick push down. Very, very large push. I was trying to see if we get some shorts on Friday actually to come and retrace a lot of this move, because you were just pushing from like 6 a.m. London time on Friday. You just pushed up and up and up and up and up. Never grabbed any lows for like 6 hours. And now you're kind of retracing that. And then boom, we could see another leg back up, because you kind of see you never really re-grabbed these highs before this current push down. So you would imagine even if gold was going to have that big push down into this liquidity area, you would have to come up, grab these highs first, and then see that push. So yeah, that's what we're looking for today on gold. We'll see this first 15 close here. I was hoping when we were jumping on, this 15 was looking like we were about to start getting some longs for this London session. There's a huge rejection. Never closed above the resistance, straight back down. I was hoping we could get like a nice closure, start looking for some longs, but now you're just still pushing lower for now, which is fine. Did I start recording? Yep. Let's see. You kind of just need this to create some space now. You've had this big push down 6 a.m. London time. You're not going to take shorts here. You're not going to take longs here. Needs to find some sort of support. Either find some sort of support or find some sort of resistance to sell. Here, be watching here. There's no real top wick on this 30 just yet. I mean, there's a little one, but not much. Not much. Not enough to sell it. I'll watch the futures up here. On my top step. Not showing any signs of slowing down just yet. What bank holiday is that on Wednesday? US bank holiday on Wednesday. Hiya. Hey. Ah, nice. Nice.
I had to come in, I had to buy a new phone, so I came across the Good Bet before my flight back to Bali. And
sick.
Catch up for coffee.
Nice, man, nice. When are you flying back to Bali?
I fly to Bali tomorrow afternoon.
Sick, man, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice, man, nice.
Are you back?
I haven't planned anything just yet, man. I'm going to Vietnam next week, which would be sweet.
Very nice.
Yeah, which would be nice, man. Going back up to Da Nang. Going back to Da Nang with my girlfriend, which would be nice.
Yeah, awesome. The name's good.
Yeah, it'd be good to go when it's good weather. Definitely, man.
Yeah, definitely.
5 minute pushing down. Oh, may start to find some support here on Goldie. This is what I want to see. I want to see it start to find some support. I would consider longs on gold if we can get back above like here-ish. Yeah, it's fairly new. Yeah, I haven't seen that before. I was just looking at that as well. Yeah, I'd consider some longs on gold if we can get back above here. It's like a pretty decent level here. Strong resistance level there, support, big resistance, little fake out there. So if this 15, leaves a big wick and we close back above here, you got some longs. Even if, you just get gold to retrace back up into these areas, that's like a 30 tick move, which would also be very nice. It's quite aggressive because we've just been pushing down for the day non-stop. But you don't really want to look from sells from here. If you want to look for sells on gold, where are you going to look to sell? You're going to look to sell up there. If you're going to look to sell up there, why not see if you can get some longs up into there first? So we'll see if we get that. We'll see.
Who's got that symbol?
Who's this guy?
Oh,
How's it going, man?
Seriously, what is that symbol for this month? I can find it. Can't find it.
Go gold CME on Google, GCQ4.
GCQ4.
Yeah.
There she is. Wait.
There you go, man. Gold to 2,600 by the end of the year. That sounds like financial advice to me. Yeah, I mean, maybe. It depends. It really depends. I think you're going to retrace a lot more than that. Print a 7.4 trillion already. Yeah, I think you'll come dip down more before that, yeah, but that would be, yeah, imagine that. Selling at 2.6, yeah. How's this 15 now? Nothing yet. How is that silver looking? I remember we were watching silver on the higher time frame. How's that looking? How are we monthly? Yeah, not looking too bad actually. Where would you be watching? Probably here? Anywhere around there? How long we got? 3 minutes till this 15 is gonna close. The 5 minute was trying to, the 5 minutes grabbed the lows, closed bullish. Kind of see here, 5 minute grabbed the lows, closed bullish, broke back above this little very minor range. I mean, a 5 minute close is not enough for me to want to buy just yet, but it's a sign that we might start to turn around soon. There you go. Now you're reflipping back bullish, trying to. Need a nice strong 5-minute close here to see if we can get that 15 closure. God, Top Step X, keep you updated. Yeah, it does, Harry. Yeah, Top Step X, it rolls all the contracts for you and stuff like that, so you never even have to. You never have to check it. It kind of rolls it all forward for you, which is actually quite nice. Longs back up into there. Hey, how are you today? Hey, man. Do I check crypto as well? Yeah, I do check crypto from time to time, man. Yeah. I saw Bitcoin came all the way back down to 65,000 again from 70,000, which was pretty nice. Where were we? You broke below 70. You retested it perfectly. Dipped straight back to 65. It was actually very nice. You know, if you sold that at 70 down to 65, you would have made absolute bank. I do still think you'll see Bitcoin come still higher overall, but back at 65 is a pretty nice level. 1 minute to 15 is going to close it. Let's see. Afternoon, Ian. What's going on, man?
Hi, bro.
Hey, Elliot. What's going on, man?
The drone brother.
How's things, man? Haven't been on in a while. Good to have you back on.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I've been working and
Good man.
business at the moment, so
Yeah, nice. It's good, man. It's good.
good to be back.
Yeah, man. There's it 15. 15 is not looking too bad. If this 15 opens with an instant bottom wick, it will be risky, but it may be worth, like, it may be just a little half risk potential buy. Playing this kind of morning star. You want to see this low respected to see it push up. You've rejected, you've re-grabbed the lows. So if we open with the instant bottom wick, I close a little bit bullish though. Don't close too bearish. Close a little bit bullish. Made it for a bottom wick, riskier entry, just to play this little range. Yeah, nice. There you go. That's a good close. Alright, let me go to the 5 minute. Now, bottom wick gold, I said. I said bottom wick, not top wick. No, no worries. Yeah, it was quite a nice 15. That was actually a nice 15 closer. That was a nice 15. We just need a bottom wick here. Futures had a little gap up there on Top Step X. I mean, if you don't bottom wick in this current 5, the next 5 will come down and re-tap into this low to give that 15 the bottom wick, and then we can look for it. You can kind of see here, you never really re-grabbed any of these highs before this current push down as well. So to at least grab them highs, anywhere below this current 5 low up into there is like 34 ticks. 34 ticks sounds good to me on a Monday morning. Let's see. How's the 30 looking? Oh yeah, 30's looking beautiful as well. Look at that. 30's looking very nice. Rejected. Re-grab the lows. You may still, if you don't get the morning star on this 15, you may get it on the 30 as well. That's a pretty nice current 30 candle. Good morning, Ross. What's going on, man? 5 minute. My 5 minute futures is completely different to what I'm seeing here. I don't know if it's just Top Step. I'm gonna let me fire up Tradeovate. I think I still have an account. What is it? Web dot. I'm just looking into my Ninja here to see why my Top Step X and currency looks completely different. I don't know if it's just Top Step X, but as that current 5 minute here on gold was pushing up, on my futures it was pushing down. I don't know if it's just Top Step X or it's futures in general. Here we go. Here's the good stuff. Alright, where's gold on this chart here? Yes. No. GC. There we go. I haven't used this Ninja platform in a while. What size do I trade with? On Top Step X, 2 to 3. On personal, 5 to 10. Depends. And actually it's quite similar actually. It's a little bit different, but it's pretty similar. Alright, bottom wick in here now. Which is good. We've just created that quick bottom wick on that 15. Just quickly create that bottom wick and starting to push higher. But I still think if we're going to see some longs, you will re-grab these 5-minute lows if we don't do it. If you, I mean, it's starting to find some strong resistance already, but how do I get rid of these indicators? What's this crap on my Ninja? Remove. Top Step X have spreads? Nah, there's no spreads, but it will just be depending on what the liquidity is like. If there's not much liquidity, then the fills won't be as on point, but as long as there's volume in the markets, it's usually pretty good. But do you scalp or hold trade till 1 to 2, 1 to 3? Well, scalping or doesn't make a difference about risk to reward. But yeah, my risk to reward's probably about 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Yep. Right, let's see if we can grab these 5-minute lows, re-break the highs. We could look for some longs. Look for some longs up into here. If you don't start to flip soon, you may take this current 15 play, what we're trying to do here, on the 30, where we may see this 30 close bullish. The next 30 may give the bottom wick, and then you may see it. But we'll react to the 15 one for now. If the 15 one doesn't work, then we'll look for the 30 one. So see if we grab some lows and start breaking some highs here. How do I get rid of this indicator on TradingView? I mean on Ninja. Oh, there you go. There we go. Top Step X, man. Top Step X. I'm just trying out my personal Ninja as well to see if it was looking the same. And it is not. Oh, maybe that's because I'm on micros. Does that make... Surely it doesn't make a difference to the way the chart looks. No, it doesn't. Oh, yeah, it does. What the hell? That's weird. Grabbing the 5-minute lows here. Yeah, it's the same actually. See if we close bearish, or if we start wicking back above this previous high, then we can look for a buy on the break of the high. Like maybe something like this. I need to see it wick up before I want to put it in first. I think we may play it off the 30. No topic on the daily. Surely see longs. Yeah, maybe if it closes above some levels. No longs just yet though. We're pushing down. But I mean overall this week, yeah, I like longs up into here. But no big longs for me just yet. Just play this little range for now. Play the range. What's up, man? Hey Spence, what's going on? Let's see. Clearly reacting off here. You may have to wait for that 30. Look at the 30 now, it's probably sounds like bearish again. Yep. Yep. 15. You did just grab previous 15 highs as well. Look at that, you just grabbed previous 15 highs, now pushing back lower. I think you're going to come down more here. Not looking too nice just yet. Nothing yet. Yeah, I like that, man. Yeah. It's a steep push down to start the day. Very steep push down. Yeah, we'll wait for this 30 close. The 30 close will be the key. And then we can consider the morning star play off that. If this 30 closes bearish below the previous low, you're probably going to come lower. Five's pushing down quite strong. Let's watch the 5. Oh, look at that 5. Look at that all of a sudden. Goldie. Goldie. Look at that. Last like 5 seconds there. 5 minutes completely changed around. You get an instant bottom wick. You may have a buy on the break of this high here on Goldie. Let me see. What would the stops be? Stops will be around 12 to make 32. That's a very quick bottom wick. I'm not in this yet, guys. I'm not in this. It's a very quick. That was a very nice rejection there, though. But it's the last 5 to 30. I'm just gonna wait till it closes. That was a solid rejection there. You trade micros? Yeah, I am on my the top step account, man. Because you can trade, you know, 10 or 20 or 30 or 50 micros now on top step. So if you're on like a 50k account and you just want to trade one contract, you may as well trade 10 micros because then you can take partials. So I don't know if it's still just on Top Step X you can do that, or if you can do it on Tradeovate, but yeah. Strong area. Let me see. Trade more than 5 micros. Then yeah, you can trade up to 50, man. Yep, you can trade up to whatever you can in the minis, which is good. So it works out to be the same. You know, 10 micros is like 1 mini. I think it's just on Top Step X. I'm not too sure. I think it's just on Top Step X. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, true. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah. Manage. Here, pretty much. Kind of just finding resistance here, maybe. I'm going to just wait until this 30 closes. Can we buy? If you want. I can't tell you what to do. See, 15, yeah, it's 15. Actually, 15 is looking pretty nice now. Let's see, one more minute. Yeah, send it. That's Dean's financial advice, not mine. See, one more minute. One more minute. Volume profile analysis. Nah, not really too much, man. I've looked at it before, but not too much, to be honest, man. I just like pure price action on gold. Let's see. Had some problems with top set last week. They closed 2 of my accounts, which have proof of payment from PayPal. Are they having problems? Nah, I haven't heard anything personally, man. Oh, I haven't heard anything at all. I had a payout from Top Step last week. I haven't had any issues personally, man. I haven't heard anyone else run into any either, to be honest. But I'll definitely contact them, man. I think they were off on Friday, maybe, but they should be back online today, man. Must be nice. That's Robbie as he sits in from Bali, as he tunes in from the beach on Bali. All right, add that 30 close. 30 closed with a pretty nice doji candle. May it flip this 30. Kind of got 2 equal lows down here, though. Change of color, very nice, man, very nice. Let me Google that. I've never been. Google. Oh wow, nice. Looks beautiful, man. Yeah, in Cruise, yeah, it looks beautiful, man. It's beautiful. Let me see this 15. Could we flip this 15? If it past 2 half 15 have just gone very, very, very doji. Kind of got 2 little equal lows down here as well. Also got 2 equal highs though. You could flip this 30, but you'd have to have stops down there, which is not too big. Still only like 18, but this range is a little bit messy for me. I'm not going to put this in just yet. I'm not putting anything in just yet here. I'll move it to the side. I wouldn't mind seeing us grab some lows and then start breaking some highs, because the 30 was nice. That 30 closure was nice. But I think you may just wick down a little bit more, create more of a steeper 30 bottom wick, and then long. We'll be looking for something like this. Rejection, re-grab the lows, and then a nice push. Rejection, re-grab the lows. Let's see if we can get that nice push. If you can wick down a little bit more, you could consider a retest entry, to at least create that top wick. Let's see, 5 pushing down nicely. I'm watching these areas. You may just wick out them, But then would you wick out them and not wick out them? I don't know. What would that look like? 10 ticks, not bad. Almost grabbed the lows there on the futures. Came very, very, very close. But you didn't quite grab it just yet. That's kind of worth a stab. Kind of worth a little stab along. If you take longs from like down here, your stop's there. It's a very valid stop. If it breaks that low, you're going to come much lower. You could grab the previous. Didn't quite grab this one. But you did grab the very, very minor, but you did actually just grab this that 5 minute low there. Look at that. So now if you start to flip from here, then you can put your stops below this low. So if we do start to look like we're going to flip, we may put in a buy stop on the break of this high and just risk off that 5 minute low. I haven't put it in just yet. Let's just see if we do show signs of flipping. I want to see signs of rejection. Come up to here, look like we're going to start to flip bullish, and then amazing bull. We can start to put it in. You would expect you're at least going to re-grab these highs. Rejected, grab the lows, close bullish. Rejected, grab the lows. Haven't re-grabbed the highs. $15 seconds. Well, it's not going to flip in this 5 by the looks of it. I'm not going to flip just yet. Remember, you've been overall bearish today as well, so be patient. Don't just start jumping in long for no reason. Gold's been pushing down today. Yeah, it's also grabbing that. That's that grab of the previous 15 low as well. So if you start to break from here, yeah, 30's looking pretty nice now. Be risking about let's call it 12. Risking about 12 ticks on that one. You don't really have to worry about, like, if you guys thinking, oh, maybe will this 5 re-grab that low? It might, but I think if you start breaking this point, that's going to be the 30 and 15 flipping bullish, and 15's grab previous low, so take the 5 with a pinch of salt. The 30 and 15 is really what we're going off here. And you can actually probably, if it does break it from here, you can probably just risk off that low as well. You'd have to manage here though, which is a bit shit, but you would have to manage there. You're trying to run it up to at least here. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. What's going on, Han? I haven't done my account yet. Only top G trader. Re-grabbing the lows. Payouts. I did a whole video on that yesterday, man. A whole video on that payout process yesterday. So not flipping bullish just yet here on Goldie. Not ready just yet. Still pushing lower. If you break this low, then that 30 morning star will be invalid. Yeah, you're going to now. No top wick on that 30. There's actually not even a single top wick coming straight back down. Also give it a touch. Yeah, sounds good, man. Look at that 30, that's crazy. Grabbing previous 30 lows there, look at that. Straight ripping down, that's crazy. Never grabbed any highs again. Yeah, it's crazy, man. I'm not liking it, to be honest. I'm going to be careful here. It's crazy. Mm-mm-mm. 2305. That's Ages Way. He just joined. How's the night so far? Aim out. What's going on? Yeah, good, man. Good. We almost had some longs, but no breakout just yet. Just still pushing lower for now here on Goldie. Look at that. Look at that 15. No top wick whatsoever. Just straight rip down. It's crazy. He may come and grab these lows now by the looks of it. Wouldn't surprise me if you start wicking out these. No, you're going to do it already. That's crazy. Look at that. New here. Hey, man. Solid 5-minute close there. 10 ticks now. Yeah, so many candles out top way, so it's pretty crazy. Even this current 4 hour doesn't really have one. Doesn't really have one. Never grabbed any of the highs either. You would expect if you're gonna see this big of a drop, you'd imagine you'd at least work out maybe like these before being able to short this. I mean, if this 15 closes bearish like this, and you get a decent top wick, then you could look for some sells as well, because you've now broken back below here. So if we close below here, if we can top wick on the 15, then we'll look for some sells as well. 2 minutes. Yeah, in essential 4 hour. Yeah. Morning, everyone. Super late to the party. All good, man. All good. You haven't missed any trades just yet, man. Nothing just yet. We almost had some longs, but we didn't take anything just yet. Still pushing lower. Still pushing lower on Goldie. We get top wick on this 15, you know, we will have some sells. How long this? Let's go drop down to the 5. Gonna get 1 minute till this 15 closes. If we open and push up, grab previous 5 highs, you probably have to mark execute sells to make it worthwhile, but that could give you anywhere around here. Yeah, about 17, 18. What is this push down? 200 ticks, wowee. Solid 5. 5 is looking strong here. I'm watching the 5 in the futures. 5 is looking strong, straight back up. Some very strange price action. Some ugly price action. So 5 just closed bullish. How's that 15 looking? It's messy as I'm not taking a sell. You may push down more from here because the 15 has closed below here. You may top wick and push down more, but it's a pretty strong rejection as well. This is super messy. Too messy for me to want to touch this crap. This range is ugly, very ugly. 5 minutes closed aggressively bearish. And then straight back bullish of 15 ticks. It is kind of ugly, kind of messy. Yeah, it's kind of, it looks like it is, man. Yeah, it looks like it is. Which could give the hourly more of an interesting close. Like if this 30 wicks all the way back up and closes back above here, then the hourly will be respecting that major support. And that's when you can then start looking for the longs. You know, if this hourly closes anywhere back above here, you've got all the way up here to come. It's a very, very strong level. Very, very strong level. Let me clean these up for a second. You may have to wait for that because nothing on lower time frame says longs just yet. If the lower time frame doesn't say longs just yet, you need to wait for the hourly to at least close. If you jump in longs on the 5 minute, this hourly could just stop you out. As we have been bearish so far today. Current intraday trend on gold is clearly down. but you are coming into a level where it could start to change. Keyword being could. Are you grabbing some 4-hour lows? Yeah, you haven't really grabbed them ones. Yeah, again, 4 hour is a very, very big strong level. Very, very big strong level. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. Be back. Where are we at, Goldie? Where are we at? What are we up to, Goldie? What are we up to? 15. Look at that. 15 huge top wicking. Look at that. 30. Looks like it's going to close bearish. No top wick. So yeah, we have to wait for this 30 to close. I can't take a trade until this 30 closes. Because right now it doesn't make any sense. Owlie's trying to slow down as well. Trying to. Well, are we gonna break? Are we gonna break back into that London range again? Oh no! Don't do it, gold. This is where we were stuck in this area, like pretty much all of London sessions last week, and we're about to fucking break back into it. Yeah, no talk with 3 times. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, look at that one. No top work. Doji. That's almost this. Yeah, that looks almost identical to the 30, doesn't it? Doji and then straight push down. Doji straight push down. Yeah, crazy. Oh, there we go. Look at this. 5 more minutes. 5 minutes. Just grab previous 5-minute lows. If I was a risky mofo, I'd flip this 5. But I need to see this 30 close, otherwise I would... This is not a bad little risky setup. I'm not going to take it, though. I'm not taking it, just drawing it up. But you just wicked all the way down, grab these 5-minute lows, kind of creating this little left shoulder head, little right shoulder region. You got clear highs to come and grab. Actually, wait there. I may take a risky buy on the break of this 5 high. It'd be risky, so I'll only go in half risk. I'm putting in a buy stop on the break of this current 5 high. Just a 5 minute, just a half risk trade, trying to get the longs into this 30 close. If this 5 doesn't flip bullish, I'll cancel. My stop loss will just be below previous 5 low. I'm trying to see if this can close back into the range. Last 5 minute of the hourly. I want this one to close a good volume up here to give that hourly closure back above there. Then you can go to break even pretty much straight away. If it doesn't flip bullish and keeps pushing down, then that's fine. If it breaks these lows, just cancel the buy stop. But I got a half risk buy order in here on gold. Kind of got some equal highs as well. If it breaks that low, then we will ignore. Again, already pushing down too much, just cancel the buy stop. Pushing down too much, cancel the buy stop. Simple. Brave man jumping along. I'm not jumping along. Just put a buy stop. If it flipped, I would have been in. Doesn't flip, just cancel. You're a major hourly support. You want to be looking for longs at hourly support. You're a huge hourly support. You want to be looking for longs. The place jumping sells was up here, not down here. Oh, you motherfucker. There you go. Now you're starting to flip. Oh, wait there. Oh damn it! I cancelled the order. I'm not in this. I cancelled the order, but this is what we were looking for. I'll wait for the close now. I cancelled the order. It was quite a decent bottom wick that I thought you may grab these lows. Yeah, overall, yeah, overall this week for sure. Yeah, definitely, man. Yep, definitely. Oh, I cancelled. Did anyone hold that order? I cancelled it. I cancelled that buy stop. You literally can bring a stop in below that current 5 low. I'm in. Yeah, nice. You're literally risking 9 ticks. Who cares? In 2. Yeah, nice. Nice, Harry. Aiden, nice. I'm in. Nice. I am not. If you are in, just put your stop loss below this current 5 low. Oh, you make it out there. You don't want it below here. If you're going to flip, you're going to flip. You re-grab that low, you're going to come much lower. I'm not in. You just grab previous 5 highs. Well, left 2 runners closed. Another 250. Yeah, nice. In but out of break even. Yeah, break even, smart man. You did just literally wick up previous 5 highs, and then come back down. I'm gonna wait for this 5 close. Getting some volume here. 1 minute to this hourly is gonna close. Let's have a look. Yeah, I really want this to close above that previous hourly low. Close above that, we're good to long into the next hour. If it closes below this low, you may range a little bit more. Let's see. You got so many highs to come and grab. You didn't even grab that. You grabbed previous 5 highs, but you didn't really grab them. Yeah, 15 is not looking great. Oh, trying to move this out of the way. Ah, piss off. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. You're trying to... Let me get rid of this. It's messy. If you are still in this, as soon as it breaks above here, you know, just probably go break even. But we're trying to get this, see if this 4 hour closes with one big juicy wick, because you're a major 4 hour support. Major 4 hour support, major hourly support. Hourly starting to slow down now. Still closing bearish though. It's still closing bearish below the previous hourly low. Well, let's see. 20 seconds, anything can happen. But if we want longs, we want this hourly to close back above this low. If it closes below, you may push down a little bit more. 8 seconds. Let's all say at once, gold go up. Yeah, we got this. We can move gold. No problem. So hourly did just still close bearish below previous low. 5 minute. Not really saying too much. If you guys are still in this, you know, there's your opportunity to cut it break even if you really want to. It's kind of messy. I would. Years been trading? About 6, man. About 6 years. Super messy down here on gold. 15 just closed. Bearish. Bullish. 0 direction. That's 30 again. Closed. Rejected the lows. Regrabbed the lows. Closed bullish doji. Closed somewhat bearish below. No top wick. I wouldn't say closed bearish. You're kind of still finding some major support there. Super weird price action here this morning. Nothing to me makes sense just yet. I don't really see anything that makes sense personally. Other than top wicking into these areas to create that top wick to grab liquidity before going lower. It's the only thing that makes sense to me here is to push up into here before dipping back lower. That's why I like the longs up into there. But finding the entry is not looking easy. Not looking easy. Kind of got 3 little equal lows here as well. Also got equal highs. I do think this week on gold, you know, you have the potential to come all the way back up into, well, Jesus. So you get this big left shoulder, this big head. Potential to come up for that right shoulder around here. Before seeing that big dip back down. I think it'd be beautiful. That's what I'm overall looking for this week. See gold, come all the way up into here. Before then seeing that big push down again. Oh, then you kind of have that third touch. Yeah, you may. Then you do also have, you got that trend line coming down like this. You may manipulate that a little bit more. So to buy up into that trend line before seeing that push back down, as an overall outlook, it does make sense. You know, you got a lot of highs up here to come and grab as well. Here. Out for -1 tick. Yeah, nice work, Harry. Yeah, good man. Yeah, even if I was in this, yeah, I'd be out of that as well. You wanted it to drive in this one. This was the last fight of the hourly. That's the one we wanted to drive. Even if it does drive from here, it's okay. This is the one you wanted to see drive. Let's see. How's this 15 looking? Yeah, 15 is looking so messy. And I mean, unless you close back above, you know, it might look nice for longs. You are grabbing previous 15 highs. You're pushing up there. Let's see, 10 seconds. Because that's what I was trying to play. Remember I said that little left shot, there's your head, there's that little right shot. That's why the longs from there look nice. But it's okay. I cancelled. I'll be out of break even anyway. What's it pushing? It couldn't do that in the last 5 minutes, could it? What's it pushing there? Yeah, 14, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Goldie's playing with us today. Playing with us. Drop shipping or Forex? How does that even compare in the same sentence? That doesn't even make sense. Ross. A day trading business or an e-commerce business? How does that even come in the same question? What visa did you get to stay in Australia? I'm a New Zealand citizen, man. So I'm not on one, fortunately, man. It means I can live and stay in Australia. I'm very, very lucky to have that. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, man. What's up? What's up? This was our target. You guys, if you somehow did catch longs, which honestly, if we were still in this, I would be out of break even. But if you were in these longs, this would be our management point. Ideally, you run up into there, but as soon as you tap into these areas, that's where if we were in these longs, we would start to manage. But I didn't get it. I closed it. How'd you get New Zealand citizenship? My parents were New Zealand citizens. They lived in New Zealand for like 5+ years before I was born. So I mean, I got to get citizenship through descent. Nice double top here now on gold. Very nice double top actually. Yeah, 15 flip. Yeah, I think so, man. This is what I mean. We don't want to see this 4 hour start to project aggressive, because that's what we want to be in. We want to be buying into the fact that this 4 hour could easily just wick all the way back above here and rip up later on. That's what I'm trying to buy up into. Trying to buy at the fact that we're at major hourly support. That's why we're seeing this initial reaction already. If you don't flip in this 5, if this 5 minute gives an instant bottom wick to grab 5 lows, you may buy into this retracement again. I may give it another shot. It's a very tight, messy range though, but yeah. I hate living here, yeah. Whoa. Are you looking for longs from 29 to 21? I mean, Asia had cleaner price action than this. We're literally just in this little ugly little range. That's all we're really in. I mean, it's very ugly, but this is a potential morning star here. Rejected, regrab the lows, retested, close and bullish. It's a very ugly one, but it could be one. What's up, fancy chair? I think he's a better trader than me. I've had this chair for a while. I'll catch up. Best chair ever. Do you think you've been better trader than me for a while? Absolutely. Let's battle it out. Hey, Sammy. Sammy's coming to join the party. No. Okay. I said come up and he sat down, so that's how Sammy's training's gone. Wait for more of it to go before going long. Yeah, overall, definitely, man. Yeah, overall. Well, overall, I think we're gonna, before we see a big push up today, you may grab these lows, but because it's just pushed down so much, there's nothing to say you can't push up into here first before then pushing that down. So all these longs would be as a potential little retracement before pushing potentially lower. I don't think that we're gonna push from here all the way up into here, but maybe just to, just to pull back up into here could be a little potential scalp. Yeah, I do think you'll probably grab liquidity overall today a little bit further down here. Come on. Oh, buddy. Come on. Oh, Sammy just tried to jump up and smacked his head. Come up. No, you don't want to come up. Look. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I have one, Ian. I got one, man. I got one. He is in full action right now as well. I don't know how long it'll last. Oh, no. That's how long it lasts. He's gone. You can scroll back just to see him in full action. It's just gone. Didn't last very long. What's top step tilt saying? Tilt 62% long, 38 short. Not really saying too much here. Look at this 15. Just win race 100%. If you don't close, you don't lose. Between like 60 to 70. About 60 to 70, man. 65, 70-ish. On average. I'd say as an average, to be conservative, I would say 65. Uh, 15 being grabbed. Honestly, I kind of need to see how this 15 is going to close. Like, it's so messy in here. Like, we had a strong push down. We've gone Doji, grabbed the lows, looking like we're going to push up. Doji again, push down. Doji again, kind of, but bullish, and then kind of bullish again. It's kind of messy. Study psychology. I don't think it's something you ever fully study, man. I think just throughout the whole years, you just learn, pick bits up all the time. What are you up to? It's something that you're always learning, man. You're always learning trading psychology. It's not something you'll ever master. Trading is something you'll never master. You'll never master trading, or trading psychology for that matter. You need a podcast, yeah. You need a podcast, absolutely. And a YouTube stream. Is it time to quit yet? Hell no. 5 years is nothing. Alright, let me go let Sammy out. He's pestering me. I think he needs to go outside. Come on in, buddy. New York volume, yeah, I think so. Trade before London, yeah, before London's good as well. Before London's good, you can get good trades before London. You have better trades before London than you have London. 5:30 London time, you've had a great push down. Now you're doing absolutely nothing. Yeah, nice Ian, yeah, nice man. So one of the best ones, man. One of the best ones. He's back in the UK now, Robbie. He's come back to the UK, man. That's an absolute shit show in here. Got new resistance here. We got support down here now. So this is an ugly range. Since 7 AM London time, we've done absolutely nothing. 25 ticks. Potential 5-minute breakout here. If it's worth it. Ah, yeah, 18.19 is not bad. It's not amazing, but, you know, take it. Closure below here, top wick, sells into here. Yeah, nice rush. Yeah, it makes sense, man. I also just don't want to get stuck in sideways crap. But yeah, it definitely makes sense. Shame we didn't grab these sides. Great, like a perfect double top, but let's see. Futures is given a top wick. FX is given a bottom wick, which is interesting. What would that look like? Let's take sells here. 12. I'll take on the break of the low, which the futures doesn't have a current bottom wick on this low. There's no bottom wick on this current low on the futures. Yeah, I'm gonna put in a sell on the break of this low on the futures. If it doesn't flip, bearish, then again we'll just cancel again. But if we can see this flip bearish and have a drive down, amazing. So it's on the. I'll put it here because the FX has already got a bottom wick. If it just breaks back into its range and pushes up, then that's fine. I'll just cancel. But if it flips bearish, fantastic. But if it doesn't, gold can do whatever the hell it wants today. So I have this in on the break of the low. Around 33.1.4. And I'll be risking off no more than the previous 5 high. But I'll probably manage before that, to be honest. If it doesn't flip and have a decent drive with good volume, I will manage aggressively. If we can finally break out and close a good volume, great. If not, we'll be aggressive with the management. Eight minutes till this 15 is going to close as well. 30. No idea. No idea. Yeah. But just, you know, manage risk. It's been rangy today. Don't be aggressive. Just manage risk. Still not in yet for me personally. Futures hasn't flipped bearish yet. Futures still pushing up. Starting to reject. Futures hasn't flipped yet. Tilt's currently 50-50. How long till this 5 closes? 2 more minutes. Like I say, if it doesn't flip in this 5, I will cancel. Cash or card, man? Card, man. Card. I mean, I wish I was cash. Cash is king, but card, unfortunately, man. Still not flipped here on the futures. It's got in the sell stop below this current 5 low, but it's not flipped just yet. If it closes bullish, we will just cancel the sell stop. One more minute. Fifteen's grabbing 15 lows. Yeah, no, I'm cancelling. It's pushing up more now. This is the beauty of putting in these sell stops. If it doesn't flip bearish, just cancel the order. There you go. Order cancelled, no loss. Beautiful. Now it's pushing back up, continuing to range. So who cares? 15's also grabbing them previous 15 lows with a double top up here as well. Look at that, grabbing the lows, equal highs. If it flips bullish, consider longs, but let's wait for this 30 close. If this 30 just closes doji, I'll probably be done for London today. But let's see. Give me 2 seconds, guys. New York is, yeah, possibly, man, possibly. It's looking like it so far. But you may just want to wait for this 4 hour to close. Nothing really makes sense just now. I mean, it kind of does make sense. Here's your range. There's your support, there's your resistance. Anything in between this range is just going to dick around. Break above, go long, break below and go short. It's kind of simple, to be honest. It's only because we're trying to trade the 5 minute because we're here on stream. If I was watching this on my own right now, I literally wouldn't even be on the charts. But it's my range, I will not trade it. He had a big push down today. Big push down. It's never just going to continue. It's going to go sideways for quite some time. Nah, not today, man. Nah, not for me. Not for me, man. Nothing yet today. Where's your 30 resistance? Yeah, 30 resistance there. There and there. Nice little scalp on that push. Yeah, nice. Well, you had that double top that we were talking about. You needed to grab that double top. We've now grabbed it. Oh, wait, here. FX doesn't keep you in. Yeah, always the FX, man. Yeah, even if it gets grabbed on the futures, it will always still get grabbed on the FX, man. Yeah, always the FX. I never actually look at the futures ones for stuff like that. I always just go off this one. You have these 1, 2, 3 equal lows. Come down, you grab them, bouncing back higher. We've been stuck in this annoying little range since 6:55 London time. Got the quick buy scalp. Yeah, nice, good man. Very nice. Nice. I mean, 30's closing bullish here. See if we get a bottom wick. Might finally start to break out. Breaking above the previous 30-minute highs. Hourly's regrabbing previous hourly high. Starting to break back above it. Let's see. Because this is where you're trying to take it into. Here. Trying to take it into here. At least. That's a minimum. 30 ticks. No, not bad. Sorry, gold just doesn't give bottom wicks anymore. London has been pants. Yeah, London's been a bit meh. Make some food. Yeah, good shout, Ross. All good, man. Need a bottom wick so we can buy this here. I'm gonna buy it here. There's no point buying it here. Needs to grab some lows, and then we can wick down a little bit, retest this area, and then we can look for longs up into here. Pretty much what we're trying to do all day. It's the first candle that's finally broken out of this little messy range. Yeah, it does, Ian. Yeah, definitely, man. That's what I was trying to do from here. That's what I was trying to do here. Take that up. You can all the way back down. Grab the lows, and then... Yeah, I agree. And you're kind of breaking out this neckline, so if we retest it... Could be in. Could be in. And this is, you know, from here to here is a 26 tick range, which is not bad. It's not going to be a plain sailing move, though. I don't think. I think it's going to take its time, but it could be a worthwhile range. What we've been trying to do all morning. Wow, look at this current daily on cold. Do I use leverage? My accounts have leverage, yep. So we could look for, because if you look for the flip of the body, that'll also be the flip of the 30 body. But I don't want to stop down here. I want to stop like around here. And you want the order on the flip of the body like this. So once this body 5 minute goes bearish to bullish, that'll be the 30 also flipping bullish. See here? If it flips bullish, you could have a nice drive. But nothing in just yet. Nothing just yet. Every time you push up, you're coming into instant resistance every single time. Look, just major resistance every single time. Like I say your safest, if you really want to be patient today, your safest bet is to close back above like here. Broke below, straight back above. Big support, big push down. 1 minute to this 5 close. If this 5 doesn't flip, you may re-grab the lows and then try and push up. I'm not in this just yet. Not yet. But that's the 30 starting to. As soon as you break back above this little line, that's the 30 starting to flip bullish. I want to see. Then I'll be in from here, and I'll risk off here, and I'll try and play it. If it pushes from here, so be it. $16 seconds. If we bottom wick and grab previous 5 lows, then amazing. Then I will look to get in here. It looks like we need to grab more liquidity. And where will that be? That will be below the 5 lows. And that'll be in from like there. There you go, like this. If this can push down more, grab the lows, amazing. We'll be in for some longs here. Come on, Goldie, be good to us. We've been damn patient today. Don't push from here. If it pushes from here, I'm not going to take it because there's no real good stop loss placement from here. If you take it from here, you can't put your stops below 5 low because it hasn't grabbed the previous. The only time you can risk off a previous 5 low is if it's wicked out a low and then you take the break of the high. Then you can risk off that low because if it's a liquidity low, you don't need to break it. So I want to see some lows down here grabbed, just to make the risk to reward make sense. Even though it may push from here. Well, if you push from here, your stop loss needs to be down there. That's like a 1-to-1. That's a shit risk to reward. I need it better than that. King of Forex. Oh, about to grab the lows. Come on, Goldie, do it. Grab the lows. You did just grab the highs. So I wouldn't mark it execute from down here now. I'll wait for it to break the highs. Probably body highs, I reckon, man. I think if you come back to this area, you should just drive. I reckon like here. That'll still give you about 20. Currency's about to grab the lows. How's this hourly looking? Terrible. But yeah, hourly's still at that resistance. Yeah, you got to be mindful of that. This is why it's safer just to wait for a breakout this range. Your hourly resistance, your hourly support. You're just in an hourly range. If you want to be super patient, literally it's very simple. Just wait for a breakout of that. It's super simple. If this 5 minute closes back in its range, it's probably going to be my London session here. And I'm literally just going to wait for a closure on the at least the hourly, above or below. It's going to keep it super simple. I've tried to give a few trade opportunities to try in this range, and yeah, none of them are playing ball. So haven't taken a loss. So we've put in like 2 orders. None of them have got hit, which is good. We're still good for the day, but every time you try to break out this range, yeah, you break straight back into it. There's this 30 looking now. Yeah, look at that 30. Bearish, doji, bearish, bullish. Currently back bearish. 15 also broke out, bullish, grab lows, 5 minute back below. Yeah, cool. That's it. Me done. All right, guys. That'll be our London session here. No point watching this anymore. We're just going sideways. You guys on Zoom, I'm literally going to wait for this hourly to close above or below. I'm literally not going to do anything in between. And just keep it super simple. We've tried to get it a few times, but yeah, let's just be patient. Wait for it to break out, break below. And amazing. We'll have an easier trade once it does break out. So yeah, you guys on Zoom, I'll talk to you guys in Discord once we get an hourly breakout. We'll see if anything makes more sense closer to then. Enjoy, guys. Talk to you soon. See you guys. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap it there. We have put in a few orders today. A few buy stops, a few sell stops. None of them have hit. Every time we tried to break out, we broke straight back into the range. So, yeah, I'm just going to be super disciplined. Not going to give it any more chances than that. I don't want to... There'll be nothing worse on a day like this. You get stuck in a trade and it hits stop loss. You know, it's a day that we probably shouldn't be on it right now. We've had a big push down today. We don't have to force a trade here. Take a trade for sake. There's no point. There'll be an easier trade later on. Or same time again tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then. Trade safe. Don't force anything. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy. Peace.